everybody. Today I am making a super simple tofu bake. Ingredients, I've got mushrooms and tomatoes and garlic and green pepper and onion. But basically what's so great about this is it's kind of a garbage bake. You know, sort of you do a garbage bowl, you take everything in the refrigerator that's about to go bad and you throw it over rice and with an avocado and some sriracha and you have your bowl. Well, the same thing is here. I take everything that I have in the fridge that's maybe about to go bad and I saute it up and then I throw it in my tofu mix and I bake it. And it's really as simple as that. Heat up my pan and I'm going to use mushroom broth. And then I'm going to saute all of my veggies. This way I've cut down on calories. You know, oil is very calorie dense. I think it's 4,000 calories to a pound of oil, something crazy. So, you know, that's like enough calories for me for 2 days. So, you know, that's kind of crazy. More than enough, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and finish. Well, here, I'll put these guys in. I'm just throwing them all in at once. Garlic, onions, and green pepper right here. I'm going to throw in my mushrooms. It's simple and easy in here. I'm going to add some salt and pepper now, and that's it. I'm just going to let these guys do their thing. If I think they need more mushroom broth, I'll add it. But, you know, for right now, salt and pepper, and I'm just going to let everybody do their thing. And I'm going to add some tomato, but because tomatoes are juicy, it's part of the reason why we love them, I don't want it to be too watery. So I'm just going to add one little bit of tomato, but not very much. Before I even started this, I drained my tofu. So I just took one box of tofu and I drained it. Just so that the water is already out of it. I mean, we are going to bake this, so the moisture will go away, but still, I don't want it to be runny or drippy. I want you to get the purple. Can you see that? Oh, look at that purple garlic. So great about being vegan is that you get to eat the colors of the rainbow. And even in your garlic, you can get color, which is so fun. You know, it does take a little bit longer to saute with broth than it does with oil. So I'm going to add a little bit more broth. I have already drained my tofu. Now this hummus is a spicy red roasted pepper. So if I didn't have this, I would be adding some kind of sriracha or some kind of spicy sauce. Again, your palate and tofu can go anyway. And I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons. Always great to have hummus at home, but I'll point you guys to my website, ElysabethAlfano.com. Great hummus recipe there if you feel like making your own hummus. Okay, now, so 3 tablespoons of hummus, 3 tablespoons of nooch. It has lots of nutrients and vitamins. It's just a great food for you. So it's got fiber. We love fiber. We love fiber. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my veggies and stir them in to my tofu hummus nooch mixture, and I'm gonna bake it. I'm just gonna go away. I'm gonna play with my cat. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna do some gardening. I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna do some editing of my videos. And when I come back, I'll be like, oh gosh, dinner's ready. And dinner for a lot of people, or breakfast, whatever you want. So very easy. That's it. That's it. Our meal is basically over. So once I stir these together, I'm gonna make, probably about good time to put on my oven at 350. Oh, I'm doing mixing. Oh, come on now, it's looking good. Come on, this looks good. Okay, so by the time I mix this all in, I will have my oven at 350, and I will bake this. And again, if you had zucchini, that would be a great one. I almost chopped kale from my garden and put it in here. That would have been a great addition as well. I want as many veggies packed in here as I can. You can see it's all evenly distributed. And now I'm just gonna start making individual tofu bakes. Come on, they're too cute. You can fill them right to the top. You guys, that's it. Super fast, down and dirty tofu bake for breakfast, for dinner. It's super easy. Thanks for being with me. And if you want more recipes, go to my website, ElysabethAlfano.com /recipes. Bye, everybody.